Did you know bowling is a great way to exercise without even knowing it? Bowling can burn up to 300 calories per hour because when you're bowling, you're really lifting weights and stretching at the same time. Did you also know bowlers can use different balls during a match, just like a golfer using different clubs to suit the condition?
Did you know that bowling lanes are oiled by automatic machines? Historically, it was to prevent the ball from damaging the wooden floors. In actuality, it became important to help bowlers achieve better gameplay. The most common oil pattern is thicker in the middle of the lane and then thins out towards the edges. There are hundreds of different oil patterns that can be used in competition. Some of them are named cheetah, chameleon, and scorpion. In recreational bowling alleys, the oil pattern is usually 2/3 the way down the lane, then a dry patch of wood just before the pins. This increases the friction with the ball, getting it to roll without slipping.
Did you know a camera is used to take photos of the pins that are left standing and sends the information to the scoring system? The photo lets the pin setter know which pins it will need to pick up and put back in place. The sweep gate is the mechanism that pushes the fallen pins into the ball pit. A conveyor belt pushes the pins up an elevator, and since the ball is too large to fit into the elevator, it rolls to the side into a hole and returns back to the bowler via gravity by way of a track system under the alley.
Did you know a pro bowler once beat a robot bowling machine because the pro bowler was able to adjust his throws since the oil pattern on the lane was changing throughout the match? The robot bowling machine was not able to adapt since it was always throwing the ball the same way and wearing away the oil on the lane, affecting the hook of the ball during each throw.
Did you know a perfect throw is not possible on an unoiled lane? Professional bowlers have tried and failed. The perfect throw has 3 parts: the skid, the hook, and the roll. During the skid phase, the ball slides down the lane, spinning but not rolling. As it comes to the end of the oil, the friction increases and the ball accelerates and hooks to the side and leads to part 3, the roll, barreling into the pins, ideally at a 60-degree angle. This is the perfect shot. That's where you want to hit the pins.
Thanks for watching. Come down to Strike Game Zone and test out your knowledge.